Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Epson EcoTank ET-4850. This is wireless inkjet printer with 30-page automatic document feeder, 6.1 cm color touchscreen, mess-free refill system. Is using ink bottle. This printer is compact design, 250 sheet front paper tray. Ink included in the bottle. Automatic double-sided printing. Print up to 14,000 pages. Print technology is inkjet printing. Color printing. Maximum resolution 4800 by 1200 dpi. Print speed up to 20 prints. Copying color. Scanning. Resolution 1200 by 2400 dpi. EcoTank provide hassle-free printing for home and small office. 15.5 prints per minute for A4. Print speed for black text. A4 print speed, color text is 8.8 print per minute. Up to 4800 and 1200 dpi color print resolution. Fits paper up to A4. Print on paper up to 300 GSM. Borderless printing. 4 ink bottles. In terms of connectivity, suitable for office printing, suitable for photo printing. Big bridge, print image direct from digital camera. USB port, wireless and Wi-Fi enabled, Ethernet, Apple AirPrint depending on device, and also email print, mobile printing, enable printing directly from your smartphone or tablet through brand specific app, Epson Connect or Epson Smart App. So minimum Mac operating system required, minimum Windows operating system required, photo edit software include. We're going to check this out and see what is inside. Ink bottle 102 black, 2 of those. Information pack. Power cable. Ink bottles. Magenta. Cyan. And yellow. This is what we have here. This printer is very compact. If you have any paper jam, check for any paper jam and debris at the back. This is the ADF, automatic document feeder. So at the back here, the power cable goes in here, Ethernet line goes in here, the USB port goes on the side. Connect the power cable, plug it onto the socket. This is the scanner, flat bed scanner, and this is the front panel with 6.1 centimeter LCD screen. You switch this printer on and off from this button, and this is the paper casket. If you also want to remove the paper completely, you can also remove the paper completely by adjusting it. So you can bring out the paper tray if you prefer, so you can bring it out as well. For you to load particular paper that you want to use, after then you adjust it. This is the guide for you to adjust the paper. And it's in. If you open up this is the ink bottle. On the side, this is where the ink goes. You load particular ink on this side here. So this is the unboxing and overview of this printer. It deserves your attention. ET-4850. Thank you very much indeed. This printer is highly recommended. It's for home and office use. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.